Have you ever wondered how rockets blast off into space? Such a technical and complex idea. But believe it or not, it uses the same science that's happening right inside your kitchen. Hey everyone, welcome to STEMpathize, STEM in 3 minutes, episode 1, where we break down science, technology, engineering, and math in a fun, quick, and hands-on way. So let's jump right into it. STEM isn't just one subject. It's a way of understanding and solving the world's greatest mysteries. Science is how we figure out how things work, from plants growing to planets moving. Technology is how humans create to make life easier. Phones, apps, cameras, and even toasters. Engineering is designing and building, from bridges and robots all the way to roller coasters. And math, it's the way that everyone is connecting. And to show you how STEM shows in everyday life, let's try something you can do right at home.
So the materials we need are vinegar, baking soda, a funnel, a plastic balloon, and a plastic water bottle. First, pour some vinegar into the plastic bottle about a quarter full. Step is to add a couple of spoons of baking soda into the balloon, and the funnel helps a lot with this. Step is to get the balloon and cover the lid of the water bottle, but don't let the baking soda fall into the water bottle yet. Now let the balloon stand up straight and let all the baking soda fall into the water bottle. And watch as the balloon rises by itself.
When baking soda and vinegar mix, they create carbon dioxide. Gas needs space, and so it pushes up and fills the balloon. This same idea, using pressure from gases, is used in real things like rocket engines, airbags, and even some medical devices in the real world. A small experiment like this shows how the ideas behind STEM power big moments in the real world. Every invention, no matter how advanced, starts with curiosity and experiments just like this one. So the next time you see a rocket launching, or even watch a video of one blasting off, you'll know that the same kind of gas-powered reaction is happening, just on a much bigger scale. Even simple kitchen experiments use the same science behind some of the most powerful technology we have today.